The United States says it's entering a new industrial era, a time when factories will reopen, jobs will return, and Made in America will rule the world again. Both political sides agree for once. Trump promises tariffs will rebuild America's manufacturing muscle, while Biden believes green energy subsidies will do the same. But if everyone wants reindustrialization so badly, why isn't it happening? Why, despite all the policies, the speeches, and the billions in incentives, is America still struggling to make things again? The truth is, America's industrial decline didn't happen overnight, and it can't be reversed with slogans. In the 1960s, the US made a quarter of the world's manufactured goods. Today, it produces less than 1/10. Over decades, factories closed, jobs moved overseas, and production became cheaper in Asia, especially China. Politicians blamed globalization, trade deals, even automation. But none of them admitted the core problem. America's economy transformed into one that values finance, tech, and services far more than physical production. Once you build that kind of system, it's nearly impossible to bring the old one back. Trump's solution was simple: tariffs. Make imports expensive, and people will buy American. In theory, that sounds patriotic. In reality, tariffs raise prices for everyone, including American manufacturers who depend on imported parts and materials. It's like building a wall around your factory, but then realizing your tools are stuck outside. The result? Manufacturing activity in the US actually declined through 2025, marking several consecutive months of contraction. Factory jobs dropped by tens of thousands. Biden tried a different path: massive subsidies for green technology, EVs, and clean energy production. Billions of dollars were offered to companies willing to build in the US. But here's the problem: it mostly attracted investment in AI and data centers, not in traditional manufacturing. America is seeing a digital boom, not an industrial one. The new factories are filled with servers, not workers. Then comes another layer: labor. America wants to reindustrialize while also tightening immigration, but advanced industries need skilled labor, and most of those skills exist overseas, in countries like South Korea, Japan, and Germany. Without experienced engineers and technicians, America's new plants can't run efficiently. In fact, earlier this year, hundreds of South Korean workers building a Hyundai plant in Georgia were deported over visa issues, a direct clash between immigration policy and industrial goals. Even Trump later realized it was a mistake and loosened restrictions, but the damage was done. And let's not forget the global context. China now produces over 35% of all the world's manufactured goods, more than the next 10 countries combined. It's not just cheaper labor. It's scale, efficiency, and government-backed coordination. China's manufacturing ecosystem is an empire of suppliers, logistics, and research hubs. America can't simply replicate that by signing a few bills or raising tariffs. Another invisible force working against reindustrialization is the dominance of AI and financialization. Investors prefer fast digital profits over long-term industrial projects. Building a chip factory takes years and billions of dollars. Funding an AI startup takes months and can return profits instantly. Naturally, capital flows where returns are fastest. And that's not into manufacturing. The idea of reindustrializing America sounds powerful, nostalgic, and patriotic. But reviving a system that peaked a century ago isn't about slogans or subsidies. It's about rebuilding a mindset. It means investing in skills, embracing smart automation, reforming immigration, and reshaping global trade strategy. Until then, every politician can promise a new industrial revolution. But in reality, the smokestacks may never rise again.